has a number of important responsibilities to carry out. First, they have to study the architectural drawings to see where the required walls and structures have to be built. They lay out the architectural drawings on a table. The compass is used as a reference to determine the direction. It's therefore absolutely essential to have one when reading architectural drawings. Then, they estimate the amount of material that will be required for the day's work and ensure that it is available. They proceed to check the quality of all the materials that will be required for that day. A responsible assistant mason will only use materials which are of a good quality. After reading the drawings, they have to check if the measurements are correct and match with the construction site. Once the measurements are verified, the assistant mason decides on the equipment required to build the walls. Before they start working, the assistant mason checks their personal protective equipment to ensure their personal safety. The mason then prepares mortar for the walls that they will build. After the instruments and the materials are finalized, the assistant mason builds the required wall or structure according to plan. Construction sites can be hazardous places. It is essential to strictly observe safety precautions in order to avoid injury, accidents, and health problems at the workplace. Typical causes of danger at the construction site include falling from heights, stumbling into gaps and holes, tripping over objects, slipping on wet surfaces, electric shocks, and tools or building materials falling from overhead. To ensure a safe environment at the construction site, strictly observe the following rules. Clean the construction site every day and maintain an uncluttered surrounding. Dispose of all dust, debris, or loose nails that may be scattered on the floor. Do not leave tools lying around and unplug any lights or electrical appliances that are not in use. Do not leave uncovered, stagnant water lying around. At the end of each day, water stored in containers should be thrown away. Trenches, gaps, and holes found at the construction site should be covered with wood to avoid accidents or mishaps. Build a fence around the area under construction and install a signboard to inform nearby civilians of possible risk. This can help prevent unforeseen disasters. Always use personal protective equipment while working. You have now learned about construction site safety.